Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make this crystal flower ring. I made a bracelet with this pattern and I will link it here at the eye icon to see, so you could make a beautiful set. You could even make earrings if you just attach here ear wires. So now, if you like what I'm showing you here, it's a good idea to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified for my new absolutely free videos. And I devoted my last several videos to making sets to some of my old projects. So you will have a lot of fun if you decide to make them. So if you want to support me, you could like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of your questions in the comments. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching. Now I will start with a list of the materials. Okay guys, so for this video what I'm using are 6 by 4 millimeters faceted crystals, or also called roundelles, and I'm using 3 colors of 11/0 seed beads and 1 color, white color of 8/0 beads, and I'm using beading needle size 10, flat nose pliers, scissors, and this is monofilament, that is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters, and I will put about an arm span of thread on my needle and I'll be back to start. Okay guys, and now I have about an arm span of thread on my needle, and I'm going to take 6 of these beautiful 8/0s. Okay, I have my 6 here, and I will slide them down, and I will go one more time through all of them. Here I'm holding my tail thread and I'm going around in circle, and in order to make a circle I should go through the very first bead. Okay, and now it is a circle. Okay, I will go through some beads in this direction, and now I will make a knot to secure my work. Okay, I'm squeezing this one to stay tight. I'm making a loop and I'm going with my tail thread twice through the loop I've made. I'm pulling, pull tight, and then I will go through my next bead and I will start adding more beads. Okay, I need blue 11/0 and I will go through my next white bead. Okay, then another one, going through the following, one more, then go here, one more, okay, go here, and this is the last one. Okay, now I have this beautiful circle of beads, and I want to exit out of one of my blue beads, and I will start adding pink beads. Okay, I need 3 pink beads, and I'm going through my next blue bead. Then I need 3 more, and as I'm exiting from this blue, you see my thread, I'm going through the following blue bead. Okay, I will show you one more time. 3, go through the following, and do this 3 more times. Okay, and now I'm going to start my next row. I'm exiting out of this top pink bead here. So now I'm going to take 2 white beads, 1 crystal, and then 2 white beads again. This is what I have. And as I'm exiting from this top bead, I will go through my next top bead, or angle bead, call it whatever you want. Then I need 2 more whites, 1 crystal, 2 whites again, going through the following, 2 whites, 1 crystal, and 2 whites, and go through the following one, and I will continue until the end of this row. Okay, this is what I have, and I'm going here through this pink one. And now, guys, you see, and don't worry, it looks like this now. I will fix it, it will look really better. Okay, go through these 2 white beads, then go through your crystal and through the following white bead, just like that. Take just 1 blue bead, okay, and go through the following white bead. Pull, then go through the crystal and through the following white, one more blue bead, and repeat the same thing. Go through the blue and through the crystal, through the white and through the crystal, sorry. Then through the following white bead, 1 blue bead, go here, just like that. Okay, and I'm going to continue. Okay, and when I finish this row, this is what I have. And now I'm going to make a beautiful circle of white beads around my crystals. Okay, I'm going through these 3 beads, and I need 7 seed beads, white seed beads. 4 plus 3, 7. Okay, and I'm exiting out of this white, and I'm going to the following white one. Okay, then through the next 2 beads, pull it tight and fix it. Okay, I need 7 again. Okay, 7. Go through these 3 beads and pull. Okay guys, and now finish this row. I will do this off camera, and I'll be back when I'm up to here to tell you what's coming up next. Okay, and I'm here where I'm adding my last 7 beads, and my flower is ready. And now I will show you how to turn this into a ring. Okay, now what I need to do here is go inside this pink bead. Okay, I'm going out of this pink one here, and I will take 5 blue beads. Okay, I have my 5 here, and as I'm exiting from this pink bead, I will go through my next pink one, just like that. You see, I have a beautiful loop of beads here, and I will repeat this. Take 5 more beads I'm exiting from this pink and I'm going to the following pink one here. Okay, now you see what I have. Five, go through the pink one, and I will do this 3 more times. Okay, now I have this, and then I will go through 3 blue beads, okay. I'm exiting here from this middle blue bead. Here I have 2 and here I have 2, and I'm exiting out of this one. And now I'm going to take 3 white beads and I will go through the next middle bead, middle blue bead. This way I'm making a base for my ring band. Okay, I have 3 more, and I'm going through my following blue. You see what I have here. Then 3 more, go through the following, and now guys, I will finish this circle the same way and I'll be back to show you what's coming up next. Okay guys, and I just finished my circle here of beads, and now I went reinforcing this part, and now I will start making my ring band. And I will make it by taking one blue seed bead, just like that, and as I'm exiting from this, you see white bead here, I'm going back in circle through this white again, and you see I have a loop between those 2 beads. Then what I do is that I go through this blue one, then I'm going to take a white bead just like that, and I want to go through this middle white one just like that, and then going back through this white, and I want my next color to be purple, to be pink, sorry, and I'm going through the last white one here in circle just like I did before, and I'm adding my pink bead, pulling my thread and going through this one again. Okay, then I'm going through all of those white beads, and one more time through all the beads here, and I will show you one more row. I'm taking a pink bead, going back in circle through the pink one, then back again through the same pink bead, then I need a white bead, okay, and I'm pulling, then going back through this white bead, and I will take a blue bead, go back through this blue, and again through the one I just added, then through all of those 3 beads. And then back through these. Okay, now you see this is what I have, and I'm going to continue adding one by one 3 beads, then going back through the first ones and back again. And if you forgot how I did this, rewind the video and see how I did these 2 rows, and continue this until you have a ring band that is long enough to wrap it around your finger, and then I'll be back to tell you what's coming up next. Okay guys, now I have a ring band long enough to wrap it around my finger, and what I want to do is attach it here to the other part of my ring. Okay, and in order to do this, I'm going, as I'm exiting from this blue bead here, I'm going through this white one, and I'm going back through this blue. You see here I have a loop, and I'm going through those 2 beads and back through this white one, then again through these 2 white beads, pulling, and through this pink one here. Okay, and back through this white. Okay, then through all of those beads here, and back again through these 3 whites. Okay, and I'm almost over with my work. That is why I will go here, and what I want to do is make a knot by making a loop, going once, going second time through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling. And I might want to repeat this several more times, and when I'm ready I will cut my thread. Okay? Okay guys, that was all from me. Now my ring is ready. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified for my new absolutely free videos. And if you want to support me, you could also like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of your questions in the comments. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye from me.